Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at arithmetic operators. These are operators that you'll be using when you're working with numbers, and you need to perform some operations like multiplying several numbers together, or dividing, or creating formulas. This first one is simply assigning a negative. So if b equals 2, then c in this case will equal -2. It's the opposite. We can use a plus sign operator in order to add a and b and return it to another variable. We can use the minus sign in order to subtract b from a, the asterisk in order to multiply a and b together, the / in order to divide a by b, and then the percentage sign, which will return the modulus, which is the remainder after you've divided a by b. Now, this is a good one to remember because it's really hard to look up if you don't know exactly what you're trying to find. So this is a good one to write a note about. So the way this works, for example, if a equaled 5 and b equaled 2, we divide 5 by 2, which would equal 2, and that would leave a remainder of 1. So c, in this case, would be that remainder, which would be 1. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. This next section is incrementing operators. There's a few of them. I'm not listing them all here, but the most common ones that you'll end up using are plus plus, which is simply a equals a plus 1. So again, this is kind of a shorthand for incrementing. And then 2 minus signs, which is a equals a minus 1. You'll use these in loops for the most part in order to create an increment to know how many times you've gone through a loop. And you've seen those examples in previous videos when we've talked about loops and going through arrays.